Joint Committee on ILPS to hold talk with Manipur government at 3 p.m. tomorrow. Centre rejects NSC and IM men demand to integrate Naga inhabited areas, say sources. Gaikhangam refutes statement of Nagaland Chief Minister, accuses Nagaland of trying to lobby the centre. Robin Hood's family wants to meet those who helped their son in his last breathing hours. Good evening and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News. I'm Nina Yangawam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System, JCILPS, today said it will hold talk with the state government over Inner Line Permit System issue tomorrow at 3 p.m. This statement was made by JCILPS convener Komdram Ratan today at an undisclosed location. Meanwhile, observing World Indigenous Day, Komdram Ratan said JCILPS had submitted a 97-page memorandum to the state government from which the state government gave assurance to work on 3 points decided during People's Convention. Komdram Ratan said JCILPS is waiting for the state government to decide on the date of the meeting and assured that the details of the talks will be made public. In the latest update regarding the Naga Peace Accord, it learned from sources that Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh told Nagaland Chief Minister T.R. Zeliang that the central government has made it clear to NSC and IM that their main demand of integration of Naga inhabited areas would not be made, but more powers would be given to local bodies like Autonomous District Council. On the other hand, Nagaland Chief Minister T.R. Zeliang on Saturday said central government consulted northeastern states before the Naga Peace Accord was signed. Yesterday, Nagaland Chief Minister T.R. Zeliang met Prime Minister Narendra Modi. T.R. Zeliang further said that states bordering Nagaland do not have to worry about their territory as the content of the peace accord is not yet out. He said he himself is not aware of the content of the Naga Accord. Nagaland Chief Minister also informed that he will be meeting Naga Peace Talks interlocutor R.N. Ravi on August 16th over the issue. Meanwhile, BJP said the centre had taken the Nagaland Chief Minister on board while firming up the accord and assured that it will not impinge on the interest of states bordering Nagaland. BJP leader and Union Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said Nagaland Chief Minister T.R. Zeliang was kept in the loop and had met Modi 2 days before the accord was inked. Manipur Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh on Saturday called on Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Rajnath Singh. Meanwhile, Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam, who also holds the home portfolio, said the Prime Minister did not consult Manipur Chief Minister before signing the peace accord with the NSC and IM. Gaikhangam accused the Nagaland Chief Minister of trying to lobby the centre by making statement in favour of the government. Gaikhangam made a statement while observing the 73rd anniversary of Quit India movement organized by Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee.
Bharat asigi Prime Minister oiriba level da sagaloi haibase koi thajapam thoi ne law Prime Minister level da madu oidaba haiba tarabadi kari du pai lei adubu madu makti thoidra ne khalli thajai hadana akoi tumina leibadi yadabani na madu thabak ona pot onu uri faudi akoi Sixina, Mikupna Humsingna, Lepam Tui. T.R. Zeliang Sahib, Honorable Chief Minister Nagaland, na Hairibado, Northern States Singi, Kanagi, Chief Minister Sing Tanay, na Haibado, Mapu, San, Manaido, Unyanaba, Nang Makasumali, the highest authority na Tanadri, Tanarakini, detailed Salapakan Tanani, and Haiba Atadi, Tanadri Habanatra.
Nagaland Chief Minister T.R. Zeliang said 2 events promoted Prime Minister Modi to go ahead with the Naga Peace Accord. Speaking to National Daily Hindustan Times, Nagaland Chief Minister said the poor health of NSC and IM Chairman Isaac Zizi Swu and the efforts of a delegation of Naga legislatures prompted Modi to give the go-ahead for the inking of a framework agreement. He further stated that Prime Minister was inspired by the July 16 meeting with 19-member All-Party Nagaland State Assembly delegation. As Isaac Swoo's condition was unpredictable, it was critical that a framework be signed in his lifetime so that talks don't get deadlocked again. BJP Manipur Pradesh today appealed not to have any apprehension on Naga Peace Accord signed between Indian government and NSE and IM. Spokesperson BJP Manipur Pradesh Salam Ibohal in a press meet held at its office at Nityai Pachutek said there is no question of compromising the territorial boundary of Manipur. Reacting on the criticisms made by leaders of different political parties, Salam Ibohal urged to work together, keeping political affiliation aside for the motherland instead. Coming down heavily on Deputy Chief Minister's statement in media, Salam Ibohal said Gaikangam should first see himself the atrocities meted out by his department against the people in ILP stir.
Party President, Government of India is responsible either from the Prime Minister or from the Home Minister. Mari Lainaba, Mayam Shigi Pau Lokto Lokshin Taudana, Ikoi, Kana Ponaraga, Manipuri territory integrity, Kaidanabu Honabagi, Hazik Delhi that came to the lady. Peace Accords are welcome to we, but that should be confined within the territory of Nagaland, the Legadon and Hibani BJP standing. Border cross Tarokanda, Manipur Yakshalakpa, culture gimaming the Warsu, and the autonomy gimaming the Wargasu, Swina Koish from the Sankasimati. Mashi Ikoi Yaning. Ikoi Rangi Tonargasu, Lady issue share, Pukin Chengna, Okan Manana, Bhab Tanana, Ikoi Tengaminasi.
National General Secretary of Locked Jana Shakti Party and Langtabal MLA Karam Shyam welcomed the Indo-Naga Peace Accord but said he will resign from being a member of Legislative Assembly if there is any threat on the territorial boundary of Manipur in the accord. Speaking at a press meet held at Lilong, Marinkong, K. Shyam said he has already apprised the National President Ram Vilas Paswant about the need to implement ILP in Manipur and urged not to redraw the boundary of the state. K. Shyam also maintained that Union Minister for CAF and PD Ramvilas Paswan assured of assistance for the flood-affected people in the state. National Revolutionary Front Manipur in a press note has called for a statewide ban from midnight of August 14 till 5 p.m. of August 15 in view of India's Independence Day. Party's Information and Publicity Secretary Sanaja Bomete informed the general public to avoid unwanted incidents and avoid standing below Indian tricolour. Although the ban is relaxed for religious ceremonies, fire department, media and medical emergencies. Parents of late Sapam Robin Hood want to thank the person who helped Robin Hood by admitting him at the hospital after he was hit by the rubber bullet. Sapam Rome said he wants to show their gratitude to the person who helped their son in his last hours.
July ki tarik nipanda koi Anand Singh High Secondary gi thogdok amada laikhidraba aigi ichanupa Robin Hood pu thawai hakchang yauna thogdok tu da pukat piramba saksu khangja hogdraba ichina angta khuramjaningi aigi yumda angta yaragadi angta lengbira o haidana aina paujenjari waru bibayade.
A prayer meeting was held at Kangla for immediate implementation of ILPS and return of normalcy in the state. At around 10:30 this morning, members of JC ILPS Women's Wing and Students Wing prayed at Ibudau Pakang Basanglen, Kangla Uttara Tyrel Makong and Main Surung for implementation of ILPS at the earliest. Coordinating body of ILPS Kurai today organized sit-ins at Kurai Chaithabi Lerak Machin, Kurai Thoiding Jam Lekai, Kurai Lining Thau Awangba Laibung Mamang, Kurai Konsam Lekai and Kurai Thangjam Lekai. Protesters also formed human chain along the Imphal-Ukhrul route. Eastern Students Club Nomaibung and Nomaibung Women's Development Maira Paibi Association jointly carried out a peace rally demanding ILP in Manipur. The rally started from Nomaibung Bazaar, shouting slogans. People also paid homage to Sapam Robin Hood in front of Anand Singh Higher Secondary Academy by observing 2 minutes silence. A sit-in was also staged at OLA Club, Wangkai, Kongba. Women from Wangkai Tokpam Lekai, Wangkai Thangjam Lekai, Kongba Kaithel, Kongba Nongthombam Lekai, Kongba Khetri Lekai, Kongba Laishram Lekai, Kongba Nandaibam Lekai, and Kongba Uchekon, Kongba, and members of KYO, NLM, KLLYC, KSA, SLLC, YGC, WYLCO took part in the sit-in. Locals of Thangapat Mapal lighted candles around Thangapat Mapal in memory of Sapam Robin Hood. Club members and Meirapaibi of Kesamthong Thangjam Lerak held torch rally in remembrance of Sapam Robin Hood. Protest demonstrations were held at various locations today demanding inner line permit system. Women shopkeepers of Sagolban Jiri Parking held a sit-in at Sagolban Machin. Senior citizen of 7 local Lekai of Oripok Wat number 4 also held a sit-in at Nagamapal Lai Ising Chaibi. Sit-in was also organized by Haubamarak Social Union Club and Haubamarak Meirapaibi Loop today. Protesters wore badges printed with ILP on it. Similar sit-ins were also staged at Haubamarak, Kangjam Lekai and Kwakaithel, Moirangpure Lekai, participated by women of the 2 localities. Sit-in was also held by Joint Committee Kangabam Lekai today. The protesters also demanded conducting last rites of Sapam Robin Hood. Supporting JCILPS movement, Kongman Mangjil Oriental Club organized a sit-in at Kongman Mangjil. Women vendors of Pishum Kaithil attended the sit-in. Later, the protesters formed human chain. Paddle Attack today organized a sit-in demanding inner line permit system at Wangkai Koijam Lekai. On the other hand, women of Wangkai Mahobam Lekai staged a sit-in. The protesters hold banners which read "Implement ILPS in Manipur," include 5 points of JCILPS in the new bill, among others. A large number of people today took out a rally in connection with World Indigenous Day. The rally started from Hengang Mayai Lekai and passed through Ahalup, Kairang and Larigengbam Lekai. A police team of Hengang Police Station guarded the rally. Slogans such as "Implement ILP system," "Long live Manipur," "We condemned killing of student" were shouted by those who took part in the rally. Different organizations and individuals continue to show solidarity and extend help to the bereaved family of late Sapam Robin Hood. Proprietor of Valentina Steel, Koyathong, Tokchom Suni, and members of his family today extended monetary assistance to the family of late Robin Hood. A video album on late Sapam Robin Hood called Lamjing Meira was released today at Baigabati Primary School in Soibam Lekai, Kanglapung. The function was organized by Malim Apun Bathang Ta Mahekol and attended by people living near Kanglapung. Father of late Sapam Robin Hood, Sapam Romesh, said he handed over his son to the people of Manipur the day he died in People's Movement, and he is still determined with his decision. The commemoration of 1 month death anniversary of Sapam Robin Hood was observed across Imphal yesterday. The family of Sapam Robin Hood also held candlelight vigil at Janim's morgue. However, media persons were barred from covering the event. Let's take a short commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime News. Incidents of mob justice is increasing in the state. On Friday at around 6:30 p.m., another case of mob justice was reported at Thobal Lesangthem Bazaar. On Friday, a woman from Lesangthem Bazaar accused 3 youths of stealing. The 3 youths are Zakir Khan, aged 18, from Irong Tokchom, Muhammad Sabir Ahmed, aged 21, and Abdul Kalam, aged 20. Soon after, locals charged at the 3 youths and assaulted them. It is so earned that Sabir Ahmed sustained serious injury and has been admitted at public hospital. Speaking to media, Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization President Fundray Mayum Abdullah Pathan said mob justice is wrong for the society. Ex-MLA of Thongju AC, T.H. Bishorjit, has questioned CAF and PD department for distributing rice of Thongju Assembly constituency, even though an interim order of Manipur High Court has maintained that there is no change in the agent and dealer of PDS items. Speaking to media at his residence today, Bishorjit said disqualification of MLA does not mean agents are dismissed. As per an interim order of the Manipur High Court, agents and dealers will continue to do so until a new order is issued. Distribution of rice at 3 different venues of Thongju AC by the CAF and PD department is tantamount to not respecting the orders of High Court of Manipur. The war of words regarding distribution of PDS items for Kwanthogjam AC is increasing day by day. A day after transport contractor for Kwanthogjam AC has maintained that PDS items for Kwanthogjam AC has already been distributed, Kwanthogjam Kendri Youth Congress Committee refuted it, saying no PDS items till May has not been distributed so far. Addressing the media persons at Manipur Press Club today, a representative of KKYCC said the false utilization certificate are used for those months. Money has been deposited in time. He further, instead of hurling accusations, it is far better to distribute the due PDS items at the earliest. JANIMS, in association with Indian Red Cross Society Manipur, organized a medical camp for the flood-affected people at Sangayumpam under Kangabok AC. The camp was held at Sangayumpam Kabarstan Community Hall. JANIMS Director Professor Dr. Devin Laishram, Secretary Indian Red Cross Society Manipur Dr. Yangle Mohend and social worker Okram Kennedy supervised a medical camp in which free medicine were also distributed. Pillars of the bridge constructed at Naharup, Laimaching collapsed today. It is believed that quality control was not maintained during the construction. Impact News found that the front portion of retaining wall constructed under the bridge has collapsed. Cracks have developed in the back portion of the wall of the bridge. The residents appealed to authorities concerned to look into the matter before happening any untoward incident. Adulterated jada was seized and destroyed in Nagamapal, Paunam Likai today. The adulterated jada was seized from Lorembam Ibomcha's tenant, Suraj Kumar, a resident of Bihar who is now staying in a rented room. At around noon, members of Nagamapal Youth Development Organization along with local residents conducted a drive which led to the recovery of adulterated jada. Mention may be made that Suraj Kumar bought jada from Ranjit Kumar Yadav's shop. The locals and club members have banned selling of tobacco products around Nagamapal area. In a press note, National Highways Division No. 2 PWD Manipur informed that heavy vehicles have been prohibited from plying on National Highway 39 from Palel to More due to bad road following landslide due to heavy rainfall. Manipur Olympic Association organized Olympic Day Run at Kumanlam Park Sports Complex today. Olympic Day Run was held across the world from June 23 to July 23. However, the run was held in Manipur today due to uncertain situation prevailing in the state. The run was participated by around 1,500 people, including states Olympian, veteran players, state and international level players. Regular swimming coaching class at Standard College, Kongba swimming pool, which was postponed due to bad weather, will resume from 11th of this month. 10th round of first Manipur Open Chess Tournament organized by Manipur Chess Association at Dharmalaya Social Welfare Center Community Hall, Nahabam completed today. RK Apolosana and Y Dhanabir are leading with 9 points each, followed by E Shashikanta and S Bikramjit with 8 points each. Manipuri boxer Samjit Sabam Sarjubala has entered into the semi-final of Asian Boxing Championship. She defeated Tolubayeva Alina of Kazakhstan by 2-1 in the quarter-final of 48 kg category held at Wuland, China. Sarjubala will bout against Nayant of China on 12th of this month. Before we wrap up this bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once more. Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System to hold talk with Manipur government at 3 p.m. tomorrow. Centre rejects NSC and IM main demand to integrate Naga inhabited areas, says sources. Gaikhangam refutes statement of Nagaland Chief Minister, accuses Nagaland of trying to lobby the centre. Robin Hood's family wants to meet those who have their son in his last breeding hours.